Welcome to the Yale Pro 2 Interconnected Lock Install Guide. We'll show you how to install your new smart lock. Before you begin, take a moment to review what's in the box to ensure everything you need is there. Installation and Setup Guide. To install your lock, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, the door template, a tape measure, a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill, pencil, wood mortise chisel, utility knife, and level. During installation, it's important to have your door open so you can easily access both sides of the door. Check door measurements. Use the door template to measure your door and frame. If you have a new door with no holes or need to make adjustments, find the closest match to each aspect of your door on the door template. And reference Make or Adjust Holes on page 9 of your manual for further instructions. In some cases, existing holes cannot be adjusted to fit. Do not drill any holes until you have confirmed that your door is compatible. Determine door hand. The hand of your door is determined by the side where you lock and unlock it. If the hinges are on the right, it's either a right hand if the door swings inward or a right hand reverse if it swings outward. Your lock is already set up for right-hand doors. If that's what you have, please skip to Confirm Door Hand section of the video. If your door hinges are on the left and the door swings to the left, whether inward or outward, you'll need to change the door handing in the next step. Change door hand. If your door is left hand, you'll need to flip apart inside the lock before continuing. Here's how. First, locate the 2 screws. Using a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws. Then, remove the rear panel from the interior lock. Using the thumb turn, rotate the spacer to position it correctly. Remove the C-link and flip it so that the side marked LH is facing up. Then, place it back into the lock. Rotate the spacer back into position using the thumb turn. Then, reinstall the rear panel. Confirm door hand. Ensure that the lever and thumb turn rotate freely. Also, check that the lock handle is configured correctly. For a left-hand door, the spacer and C-link should show LH facing upward. For a right-hand door, the spacer and C-link should show RH with the arrow facing upward. Adjust deadbolt and latch bolt. Let's adjust the deadbolt. The correct length is based on the back set you measured on your door template. If you measured 2 3/8 inches, you're good to go. If you measured 2 3/4 inches, grab the deadbolt and twist the neck while holding the body stable. To adjust the latch bolt to 2 3/4, pull back on the back set. Install latch bolt and deadbolt. Let's start with the latch bolt. Ensure the curved edge of the latch faces the direction of the latch bolt strike. Now, slide the latch bolt in. Then, use 2 screws to secure it. Next, install the deadbolt. Ensure the up arrow is pointing upwards. If the deadbolt is extended, use a small flathead screwdriver to rotate the slot until the deadbolt is retracted. Now, slide the deadbolt in. Then, use 2 screws to secure it. Next, place the latch bolt strike plate in place and secure it using 2 screws. Do the same to secure the deadbolt strike plate. Note, security screws can be used in place of the small strike plate screws. Now we're ready to install the exterior keypad. Guide the wire cable under the deadbolt. Slide the keypad into place, ensuring it's on the exterior part of your door. Install mounting plate. Let's select the correct screws according to the door thickness on your door template. If you measured 1 3/4 inches door thickness, use 2 silver screw set A. If you measure between 2 inches and 2 1/4 inches door thickness, use 2 silver screw set B. Now, place the mounting plate in the hole. Then, route the wire cable through the slot in the mounting plate. You may need to gently squeeze the cable to pass it through. Attach the metal gasket and tighten the screws with a screwdriver to secure the plate, making sure the keypad is straight and the left screw is not pinching the wire. Then, route the cable through the top rubber gasket, squeeze the rubber, and push it fully into the mounting plate assembly. Install handle assembly. Guide the posts of the handle assembly into the latch bolt holes. Then, secure the mounting plate with screws. As you tighten, make sure the mounting plate and handle are straight. For the bottom pilot holes, you will need to drill two 1/8-inch pilot holes, 1/2 inch deep. Then, secure the mounting plate with screws. Assemble the rubber gasket with its white mark facing upward into the mounting plate. Install interior lock. Start by removing the module cover. Locate the designated slot. Grab the cable and insert it into the slot until it clicks. Now make sure the orientation of the tailpiece and the deadbolt slot match. Then, guide the lock and handle tailpiece into their designated slots. Tighten the top screw and keep the interior lock straight as you tighten, and the screw below to secure the interior lock. Install interior handle. Align the handle with the mounting shank on the lock. Ensure the handle is oriented correctly. Press the lock tabs on the mounting shank, then push the handle inward until it clicks into place. Check that both the exterior and interior handles retract and extend the latch correctly. Before proceeding, let's check your work. If the deadbolt does not lock or unlock using the thumb turn from the inside, or for keyed models, using the key from the outside, here are two ways to troubleshoot the problem. Ensure that the deadbolt is centered in the facebore hole. Check that the tailpiece is positioned horizontally and inserted through the deadbolt tailpiece slot. Next, you have the option to install DoorSense, a magnetic sensor attached to your door frame which tracks when the door is opened and closed. If you'd like to install, please click the link in the video description, How to Install DoorSense. If you do not wish to install DoorSense, please proceed to the next step. You also have the option to install a smart module, a plug-in component that allows your lock to connect with smart home integrations. If your lock model does not include a smart module, or you don't wish to install one, proceed to the next step. If you purchased your module separately, check this list for compatible modules. Now, insert the smart module into the designated slot at the top of the lock. Important note: batteries must not be installed when inserting or removing a smart module. Before installing batteries, make sure you've downloaded the Partner app and created your account. First, make sure the deadbolt is in the unlocked position. Then, install 6 AA batteries. For the battery cover, insert the tab over the plastic hook into the slot from the right side, then rotate the cover. Press it firmly until it clicks into place. Then, replace the module cover. Once the batteries are in, the lock is ready to connect and set up in the app. Congrats! Your lock is installed. Now, let's go over how to use your lock. To unlock your door, press the Yale logo and enter your entry code, and press the check button. When you want to lock your door, press the Yale logo. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please visit support.shopyalehome.com.